announced its release of Apple One, which will be coming in the fall. This is a bundle subscription service. So in this video, I am going to compare Apple One to Amazon Prime. And the reason for that is because they are very close in what they offer. There are a few nuances, which we'll get into in a second, but overall, they are very close. So let's dive right in. Hey everyone, this is Lauren Mack with Hacking the Rat Race, and I would love for you to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos on money, saving, and investing. So like I said, Apple recently announced they are going to be launching Apple One, which is going to bundle their different services. Let's get started by just looking at what are they offering and what is the price. So the first bundle they're going to offer is the individual bundle. It is $14.95 per month, which means you save $6 per month. And this includes Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, Apple Arcade, and Apple iCloud with 50 gigabytes. The next thing is their family plan, and that is going to be $19.95 per month. And it's basically the same thing, only you get 200 gigabytes of iCloud space, and that is a savings of $8 per month, and it can be shared with up to 5 other people. The last bundle that they offer is the Premier Bundle, which will be $29.97 per month. And with this bundle, you will be saving $25 per month. And again, this can be shared with 5 other people. So let's see, compared to Amazon Prime, if Apple One is still a good deal. For Apple One versus Amazon for an individual, they both have music, they both have TV, they both have video games, they both have cloud storage. However, Apple One is 50 gigabytes and Amazon Prime's only 5. But Amazon Prime also has news, shipping, reading, and shopping benefits. For the individual, Apple One is $14.95 per month, and Amazon Prime is $12.99 per month. So for the individual, this could be actually not as good of a deal, because with Amazon Prime, their TV selection is so much larger and their movie selection at this time is so much larger. You have the shipping benefit, you have the shopping benefits. There's just a lot more to offer for only $12.99. So it's actually much cheaper to go with Amazon Prime, get all the similar benefits, and save money. So next, we're gonna look at dividing it among 2 individuals. Okay, so the reason I decided to do Apple One versus Amazon Prime 2 individuals is because with Apple One, you can split the family plan amongst 5 people, but with Amazon Prime, you can only split it with 2 people in the same household. So I wanted to carve this piece out just so you can still look at the affordability as it's divided out. So for Apple One, it's $19.95, as we saw a minute ago, for the family plan. With the cloud service, Apple One's gonna offer 200 gigabytes. Amazon Prime still offers 5 gigabytes. Besides that, everything is the same. So with Apple One, if you divided it between 2 people in your household, it would only be $9.98 per month per person. And Amazon Prime, which is normally $12.99, divided by 2 people is $6.50 per person. So again, this gets even cheaper if you divide it per person. However, still with 2 individuals, Amazon Prime is still the better deal. It's still cheaper and you still get more offerings. Now let's look at dividing it among 5 people, because this is how many people can divide it on the shared plan under Apple One. So for Apple One versus Amazon Prime for family for 5 people, you still have all of the same benefits. The 200 gigabytes of cloud, the 5 gigabytes Prime, nothing has changed. With Amazon Prime, the max you can split it with is 2 people in the same household. So let's assume you have 5 people in the same household. You would actually have to buy 3 subscriptions at $12.99. So I just want to be clear about that. With the Apple One, it's $19.95 for up to 5 people included. Amazon Prime, you would have to buy 3 subscriptions. So for the same as above, for Apple One split by 5 people at the family plan of $19.95 would mean that each person would only have to spend $3.99 per month, which is awesome. And for Amazon Prime, because you would have to buy 3 subscriptions, you're looking at $7.80 per month. So if you were considering between Apple One and Amazon Prime, and you were gonna actually split it by the whole 5 people, like you knew 5 people, or you have 5 people in your household, and the additional Amazon Prime benefits were not that important to you, then definitely the Apple One family plan sharing among 5 people is a great deal because it is significantly cheaper. So now we're going to compare Apple One Premier to Amazon Prime for an individual. And this is where it gets kind of interesting because with their Premier, Apple is actually adding extra benefits. So let's check it out. For Apple One, for $29.95, you have music, TV, video games. You have 2 terabytes of storage, news, and fitness, which is coming soon. And for Amazon Prime, you have music, TV. You only have 5 gigabytes of storage. You have news. You don't have fitness. You have shipping, reading, and shopping benefits. And the difference is for Apple One, it's $21.95 for the individual, and Amazon Prime is $12.99. So after looking at this, if something like fitness or the 2 terabytes of storage really interests you, then maybe that would sway you to paying for Apple One Premier. However, if you aren't that big on their fitness app that's coming out, that's just not that important to you, and maybe you don't need 2 terabytes of storage, Amazon Prime is literally less than half of what Apple Premier costs per month. So that is something you really need to consider. Again, in my opinion, Amazon still has the shipping benefits, the shopping benefits, and reading. Even though the reading isn't that really great of a benefit, it's still something if you like magazines and things like that. So unless the fitness and the 2 terabytes is really important to you, I'm not sure if Apple necessarily wins in this category. Now let's look at these and divide them by 5 people, because again, this is where it gets interesting because with Premier, Apple did add those extra apps. So we've already gone over what's included in both. You have the Apple One Premier versus Amazon Prime for a family of 5 people. So for Apple One, nothing changed. You still have the extra terabyte, you still have news and fitness. That $29.95 though is divided among 5 people. That equals $5.99 a month. For Amazon Prime, again, you can only use it for 2 people in the same household. Therefore, you would have to buy 3 subscriptions. So $12.99 times 3 divided by 5 is the same $7.80 before. And this one, when you're dividing it amongst 5 separate people, Apple One Premier definitely is slightly cheaper. So then you just have to look at, okay, am I actually going to be dividing it amongst 5 people? And am I going to be using this? Or does the Amazon outweigh the shipping and shopping benefits? So when it comes down to, is it actually worth it? It's going to depend on each person and what you use. And obviously some people hate Amazon, some people don't like Apple, or they only like a few of the apps that Apple provides. So obviously there is a ton of preferences that is involved here. I feel like Amazon is still significantly cheaper unless you're dividing it among more than 2 people, and they offer more benefits. Obviously, some people are going to have preferences towards what's offered on each platform, etc. But taking all those things away, I think that the bundle is a good deal. I think you obviously are going to save money only if you're actually going to use those other apps or if they interest you. So overall, is it worth it? Honestly, I love Amazon Prime just because of the shipping benefits, the shopping benefits, along with the other benefits that are included. I think Amazon movies and TVs, and it's only $12.99 for an individual person. So for me, I probably won't make the shift to an Apple bundle. But again, some people are huge Apple fans and you're already using these apps. And if you are already using all these apps, this is going to be a great deal for you and a savings. So I want to hear from you in the comments below. Are you thinking about getting the Apple One bundle? Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button. It literally costs nothing and it does so much for this channel. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos on money, saving, and investing. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.